I'm not even gonna take it off my keychain, guys. This is the Gerber shard. Just picked this up with some other knives and stuff from Blade HQ. It was $5. Keychain tool. It's got a Phillips on this side. It's got the bottle opener. It's got the pry tool, and then 2 little flathead screwdrivers. It's serial numbered. It's not just a generic piece of whatever from Gerber. Lanyard loop or keychain loop. I threw it on my work keys. I've been using this thing a lot, and it is really come into handy. I was like, yeah, I'll just buy it $5 and get the free shipping. But I end up using this thing more than the knife I carry around, just because of that Phillips. There, that Phillips screwdriver right there. So, if you haven't looked into these, check them out. I'm not really a big multi-tool guy. I just don't have a lot of room for carrying a lot of stuff around. I always have my tools on me at work, so I'm never like a one-tool guy. I have the toolbox on me most of the time. I got a lot of tools at home, and in my personal car too, I have some, just a little tool kit. So, you already have a bottle opener on your keys. Might as well get one that has a screwdriver on it. Gerber shard, get one, don't, I don't care. But leave me a comment if you like this video. If not, don't leave a comment. Thanks guys for watching.